2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, center armrest, MP3 capability, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, cargo area light, Sirius satellite radio, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, splash guards, black door handles, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, power rear window sunshade. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.